Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best belt sanders that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Belt Sanders. Everyone strives for perfection, but only a few manage to achieve it. In every sphere of life, whatever one does. Similarly, when it comes to construction, the matter is no different. In fact, in the building realm, perfection is more of a necessity than a luxury. It is the little things that often matter the most when you are working on a particular project. Number 5. Galax Pro 8 amperes Belt Sander 12380 RPM. Long cable for sanding runs and complete with a dust bag for a cleaner work environment. It has a lock-on button for continuous operation. Main features: ergonomically designed handle, variable speed control, high power stock removal. Number 4. Mini Air Belt Sander ZFE 3/8" file belt sander. Compact design for sanding in close quarters. Simple belt tension lever. Increased pulley space for specialty padded belts, protection guard and rubberized handle. Main features: spin polishing. Excellent multi-purpose tool. Ergonomic design. Number 3. Craftsman Belt Sander 3" by 21" Commu 13. Compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system. Hook and accessories sold separately. Tool-free belt release for quick and easy belt changes. Main features: high-performance dust collection. 3-position overmolded handle. 3-year limited warranty. Number 2. Makita 9903 8.8 amp 3" by 21" variable speed belt. Innovative design for sanding flush to wall with nose inside of sander. Dust bag for a cleaner work environment. Main features: auto tracking belt system. Front grip design. Variable speed control. Number 1. Tack Life Belt Sander 3x18" with 13 pieces sanding belts. We have our professional products monitoring team to focus on every single detail that matters to you and develop well-made. Main features: high performance dust collection system. 13 pieces sanding belts. Power and variable speed design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.